Mhm. It's almost like who can tell the joke in the best fashion. This is TOT and coin is easier to write than weight. Thus, I'll refer to weight pieces as coins. But what's the question asking? Tom has 13 weight pieces that look equal. However, 12 of them weigh the same and 13th piece is fake and weighs more than the others. Is that a comment on society? People look like they're equal, but there's one fake one in every 13. He also has two balances. One shows correctly which pen is heavier or that their weights are equal.
The other shows only correctly when they're heavier and shows random otherwise.
Wait, the other one shows correctly which pen is heavier and that. The other gives the correct result when the weights on the pans differ. It gives a random results when the weights are equal. It sounds kind of funny. Tom does not know which balance is which. What if you put one balance on the other? Tom can choose the balance before each weighting. Oh, it should be weighing, right? Prove that he can surely determine the fake weight piece in 3, or he tells you the answer here.
Yeah.
So that's scarier, I guess. You don't get any credit for knowing that.
Yeah. It's just proving 3 in itself is
Okay, it's 3 pages.
What was the first question again? 5 in sum and 6 in sum?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is TOT
Right.
lemma. If in a weighing the scale repeats that
Reports. It says reports.
okay, reports that the your T's are really funny.
Oh, sorry.
Reports that the coins weigh the same. The coins weigh the same. Oh, so it doesn't matter which scale you're saying.
Yeah.
It's a funny lemma. If it says it weighs the same, then believe it.
Yeah.
Okay, proof. One scale always reports the correct weight. The other scale reports correctly if the coins weigh different. Thus, both scales can only report that the groups of coins weigh the same when they weigh the same.
Because one can only report that was the other.
One tells the truth. One tells the truth when they weigh different.
Yeah. So
if they are the same,
if it says
it
equal, the only possibility is that it's equal.
Wow! That's probably worth some
wait,
points.
Liam, I swear this works. You just put 5 and 6 in it, and you just put 13.
Yeah.
Is that it?
It's basically just.
That's fine.
Or you can literally just go like.
Wait, if you're gonna waste time doing the question, maybe you can mark some. No, I don't know. Because you can literally get $5 for marking that question. If only. Okay, first weigh 4 coins against 4 coins. There's 13 coins, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like, I refer to these weights as coins because I've only practiced coin questions, and I don't want to be caught off guard by insignificant
Oh no,
differences.
weighing pieces. Oh.
Yeah.
Nah, no weighing pieces.
Oh, my specialization is no longer applicable. First, weigh 4 coins against 4 coins.
Yeah.
There are 2 possible results the scale reports. They weigh the same, or the scale reports they weigh different.
True. That's true.
That's true,
Oh,
sir.
Yeah, that's true. Great.
oh, okay. So seriously, case 1. The scale reports they weigh the same. Thus, all 8 coins are real. And the fake coin is... Does it tell you the fake is lighter or
Heavier.
heavier?
Yeah.
Okay. The remaining 5 coins, take 4 coins from the remaining 5 and weigh 2 against 2. If they weigh the same, then the 4 coins are real. Yeah? And the last one is fake. Okay. If they weigh a different amount, yeah, I guess by the lemma. Yeah, so if they weigh a different amount, weigh the 2 coins from the heavier group of 2 on the other scale. Have you heard of sentences? They weigh a different amount. Weigh the 2 coins from the heavier group of the 2 on the other scale. If they weigh the same, then the scale where the 2 coins against was measured is the broken scale. And oh my gosh, it doesn't end there. All 4 coins are real, and the unmeasured coin. Yeah, I think from now on you can need to write in dot points, okay?
Yes.
In tables.
Yes.
You're no longer allowed to write in free form.
Yes. I see the issue there.
This is like most of my quizzes.
But how many times can you legitimately write "and" in a sentence?
Too many, as many times as you want.
Oh,
I mean, if it's a logical statement, I guess. It's like and.
I'll put full stops.
and then we changed his name to Andy. Oh, come on, guys, tough crowd. Does Liam just not get it?
Yes, I get it.
Okay, fine.
This is what happens when you're old. It's like your jokes just become like.
What? No. It must only start.
It's not like
it's
old,
starting
actually.
recently.
No, it's less old. It's more just you're a father. So now you're just like your jokes just become.
It's like somehow he said it without saying the word dad jokes. Oh, why?
Bro.
And then I become the parent I despise amongst all the parents I
Oh
know.
no.
Oh, I still don't even get what you did there. Okay, so if
What
they
I did
were,
where?
so you weigh 2 against 2, yeah?
Yeah. So you weigh
If they're the same, that's good, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
If they're different, you take
weigh
2.
the heavier one.
You weigh the heavier 2, 1 against each other.
Yeah.
And they're the same.
If they weigh the same,
Yeah, so you got to say 1 against each other. Yeah.
Alright. If they weigh the same, then the scale where
The
the
scale
2 coins
was
measured
actually
against
lying.
had to have been lying.
So therefore they must have
by
been the
lemma.
same.
Because you know those 2 have to be equal, which means both are real.
Oh, and then you're done.
Yeah.
Okay, so then if they weigh different,
The heavier.
what?
What?
Wait, so if they weigh so then the 2 you weigh 1 against each other, right?
Yeah.
If they weigh different, then what happens if they weigh different?
They weigh differently. The fake coin is the heavier coin because because you measure on both scales and one is correct. And one is always correct, so you know the heavier the fake coin is in. Because if not, it's obvious that one of the coins would have had to report that they're equal.
And how do you know which one's fake?
It's the heavier one. Because one of the scales has to have been correct. So you know the fake coin has to be there. Because you measured on both scales. Because if the fake coin wasn't there, either one of the 2 scales would have had to have reported that they were
Okay, and then so the different one is a true measurement.
So you know the heavier one's fake.
Okay, does it actually say that here? So like if they weigh a different amount, 2 coins from the heavier group, if they weigh the same, then the scale where the 2 coins against 2 coins was measured is the broken scale, and all 4 coins are real. Yeah?
Yeah.
And the unmeasured coin is fake. If they weigh differently,
Let me think.
the heavier coin is fake, as one of the 2 scales has to always be correct. You didn't really say it, yeah?
Okay, let me try this. So it's like you take the heavier one. Then you weigh them against each
But
other.
the point is, it's not only so like you're actually saying logically, you're saying because they both give you different weighings, right?
Yeah.
And one of the scales has to be correct.
Yeah.
Then
The heavier coin's in there, so
Then-
it has to be reported correctly.
then
Hmm.
the last measurement must also be correct.
Yeah.
Was it
Yeah.
so hard to say that?
How's this?
Yeah, I
Wait,
don't know
wait,
why
now
I
I'm
didn't say
confused
that.
about
Now
it.
I'm annoyed with myself because that was like not hard to say. I don't know why I didn't write that. But I knew
Okay,
that.
so if this one, no. So if you weigh this heavier coins against each other, if the first guy was not capping, then the second guy is capping. But it's fine because they are different weights.
If the first
If
guy
I was capping, then the second guy
has to report equal. If
will
it's equal.
report equal.
Yeah.
And that's fine. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's the logic.
Wait, so that's the entire case solved if it's 4 against 4 and the first weighing is that they're equal, yeah?
Mm.
First wait. So what was the case we just did? 4 versus 4 and the scale shows they're the same amount.
Yeah, but both 4 weigh the same amount.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So case 2 is where they don't weigh the same amount.
Yeah.
The scale reports that 4 coins are heavier than the other 4. Call the scales scale
1.
1 and scale. Oh, call the scale scale 1 and scale 2. The 1 could have actually been right here, yeah?
Yeah.
Why did the 1 go on a
don't,
D
know,
line?
don't ask me. I think I was high or something.
We didn't give you any coke.
Unlucky.
Maybe.
We only gave you Fanta. Wait,
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
and Sprite apparently.
Yeah, I got some Sprite from work.
Yeah, we ordered the pizza a bit late. I was on parent-teacher interviews.
Wait, have you ordered the pizza for that at 12?
We got some pizza in the fridge.
It is not known which of scale 1 and scale 2 always reports correctly. So you're like, it's just labelings for the scale. One is scale 1, one is scale 2. You don't know which is like the correct one and which is the broken one.
But which one did you use though?
What? I'm saying, suppose
Which
the
one
4
did you
coins
use
against
for the
4
first
coins was weighed on scale 1.
I guess it makes sense now. So the 1 is the order you weigh. The scale
Yeah.
1 is the one you use first.
Yeah, is weighed on the
Bro,
scale
what?
labeled scale 1.
You have to state
Okay.
that.
So label the. Wait, did you not state it?
I did. Suppose the 4. It's on the next page. Suppose the 4 coins against 4 coins was weighed on the scale labeled scale 1.
Oh.
Why don't you just say on scale 1?
Don't ask me.
Like
I
all the one you use scale 1 and the other
It's like-
scale 2.
Yeah.
It's like the longer I make this sentence, the longer I can feel important.
I don't even know why I do this. I think
It's like I felt important at the start of the sentence, so I want to make the sentence go as long as possible to maintain that feeling of
Alright.
superiority.
Let us
Now we
analyze
have
the RAM of the
labeled.
Let us never finish this sentence. I'm so pleased with myself right
Oh
now.
my god! I'm sorry. I'm seeing the issues with my providing. I can't imagine how terrible it was before. Oh. Label the 4 heavier coins A coins.
The four
The
lighter
4
ones.
lighter coins, B coins.
Wait, so supposedly, allegedly heavier and allegedly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the ones that
Allegedly.
allegedly.
The ones with on the heavier side.
Yeah. And the 4 coins should not be measured C coins.
Isn't there like 5 coins that have not been measured?
Yeah, that's 5.
And the coin, it just says, and the coins which have not been measured C
Oh,
coins.
okay. But you said 4 just then. Okay, fine.
Measure on a scale 2
Measure on scale 2. Why not the scale labeled scale 2? Anyway,
on
so
scale 2. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
he wasn't feeling as good at the start of the
Oh.
sentence. Measure on scale 2 all coins.
2 A coins and
And
1
one
C
C
coin against 2 A coins.
Oh, I thought that said all coins. Sorry.
No.
But 1
2 A coins and 1 C coin.
against 2 A coins, I don't think that's right.
No, what?
Wait, I swear you.
Because what happens is
Two
if
A
Oh, you meant like like just this and this and this and
Yeah, because what happens is
Wait, let me just annotate a little bit.
That's what happens.
okay.
So you have A, A,
So
C.
if it's fine, then just do these ones.
Yeah. If you get that the two are equal, then you know the first one's the
Yeah, okay,
broken,
that's
the second one works. So you have 3 and 3. So
One
just measure
sequence.
one against
Otherwise,
And there are
you
two
get one of
possible
them
results.
that agree.
Otherwise, you get one of those heavy, and you know the fake one's the 3. So what you do on the same scale you measured it, you measure
Oh yeah.
the 2 and just
Yeah.
This is scale 2, okay?
Yeah.
This is scale 2.
Uh,
Couldn't you have drawn this diagram?
I'm sorry, sir. I'll strive to improve my proofwriting so that
People usually don't comment on style, but I feel like my quality of life directly depends on people's styles.
yeah, my style. It's better than it was before. I don't sound like an obnoxious, arrogant person who thinks he's the best person to ever touch Maths Olympiad. So
Oh,
it's an improvement.
your self-awareness is improving. Very good.
okay, so what happens if one is heavier?
Heavier. What's heavier? 2 A's and a C, or 2 A's and a C?
What's heavier?
Alright, so what do you do? Measure, say the first, those A's and C's, the first bracket of A and C is heavy. You measure the 2 A's from the heavier bracket against each other.
2 A's
On scale 2.
So you measure A. Wait, no, wait.
this
What happens
case-
to the same?
If they're the same, then you know the first scale was broken.
Okay, so same, then AA equals CC. So,
But
then the first one was capping.
that also implies the first scale is
oh,
the
because
broken
A is the
scale.
heavier one, right?
Yeah, because you know those A's
Have to have a
First
Let's
fake.
scale.
use the
There
second
was a
one
fake.
to measure the remaining.
So you know that that
Three.
second one is the true scale, so you can measure.
Scale 2 equals real.
And then you also know the fake coins amongst the 3 remaining coins. So all you can do is you just measure one of the 3 remaining coins against the other. And because you know scale 2 always reports correctly, if it's equal, you know that it's equal. If one's heavier, you know
Fake
that's the fake
Among,
coin.
so fake is among the
Remaining 3.
3 C's.
Because the first scale we know is the
Someone's
broken
heavier than
scale.
At least one
Yeah,
of them is
So it would have
right.
had
So
to
you
have
know it's
reported
this.
correctly, and there would have had to be a fake coin among. So it can't have been equal if there was a fake coin amongst them, because the first scale would have reported that correctly.
Wait, I don't understand. So,
Oh, that's actually pretty nice.
You understand why fake is amongst the last 3?
no.
All right.
Did you say it on the paper?
Yeah.
Ah, wait, then. That's actually brilliant because there's 9 coins left. That's perfect. 9 is 3 times 3.
So the two possible sets. The scales, so the 6 coins weigh the same. Thus, the same
I think I
amount
got
are all
stuck 'cause
real.
I was too busy considering, oh, what if you have to use the legit coins to
Thus, the 4 coins are real, and they were reported to be
okay.
heavier than the B coins. And the B coins have to be real, as the fake coin weighs more than a real coin, and all scales report correctly when the weight differs.
Yeah. The scales all
So
scales.
4 8 coins are real, and they're
Oh, so if there was a fake, the scale would say the B coins were heavier.
So
Yeah,
B coins
exactly.
have to be real, as the fake coins weigh more than a real. But what's the B coins?
The B coins are the 4 lighter coins.
Don't we already know that they're real?
Yeah, basically.
It's a fake among the 5.
Yeah. So no, fake are among the 3, because you also
3.
know those 2 C coins are real now, because you measured them in the 3 against 3.
2 C coins.
Because it said that.
Oh, the
these
C weren't. Okay, I thought the C's were B. Sorry.
Yeah.
So that the B ones you already know from the
Yeah,
very
you do
start.
already know that these are equal, are real.
Wait, you know the B's are real?
Yeah,
'Cause they're lighter.
because they're lighter.
Yeah.
they're either lighter or they're
Yeah.
if it reports lighter. So it's like
You know they're all real, basically.
Oh, so there's only like 3 C coins.
Yeah. There's only 3 coins that aren't involved in that one. And then you also know that the second scale is the real scale. So you can just measure 1 against 1.
Yeah.
To get
Oh, you know that's a real scale. No.
Yeah, because the first one was fake. So you can measure one against one. If it says equal, you know the other coin's fake. And if it says one is heavier, you know that coin has to be the heavier one.
Okay, let me just check you wrote that. So B coins have to be all weight. 4 A coins are real, and as they were reported to be heavier than the B coins have to be a real. Okay. Did you read over your proof again?
I'm sorry.
You didn't.
Ah.
Maybe that's something you need to like bring with you as like a note, like written on your hand. Read your proof.
Okay, so if this one is okay, so they're actually symmetric. So then if one of them is heavier, well,
Against each other on the second scale. If they weigh different amounts, the heavier coin is fake, and if they weigh the same amount, the unweighed coin, which was not one of the two, weighed against each other.
I'm sorry.
Look at this. If they are the same, the unweighed coin, which was not one of the two weighed against each other, is fake.
I'm sorry.
Which special boss did you come on?
I don't know what.
I'll just say this: the fake must be among the 3 unweighed sentences.
Yeah, I feel like the word unweighed already did whatever your other sentence did.
True.
Okay, it's looking good so far. And we've gotten through 2 pages. That's only 1 page left.
Case 2, if they are different.
Yeah.
Hopefully they can't.
Hopefully they can't. A coins from the heavier side, D coins, and the C coin from the heavier side, E coins. Oh god.
If they have different amounts, call the. Oh, this is so. This is this part now. So this is if they're different. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the 2 A coins on the side D coins.
Yeah. And call the C coin on the heavier side an E coin.
And then what's the other 2? You didn't call them anything.
The other 2, you don't need to
worry about it
because you know they're.
If it's lighter, you know. So
yeah.
Oh, but he didn't state that at all ever. So.
Alright, so D, D, and E. So now you need to figure out which one it is.
E coin is fake as the 2. Okay. Weigh the 2 D coins against each other on scale 2.
Yeah.
They're equal, than the E coins.
So we don't know scale 2 is fake, yeah?
No, you don't.
What if they weigh different?
So this is the last weighing.
Yeah.
We've got all 3 weighings.
If
they weigh equal amounts, the E coin is fake.
Yeah, and then I explain why.
Okay, as the 2.
Earlier.
Okay, so there's 2 cases. So this is different. This is different.
The 2 earlier weighings were performed on different scales, and thus the second weighing had to have reported correctly as if the first weighing was correct, a fake coin was in the second weighing, so the scale always reports correctly, and if the first weighing was incorrect, the first scale is the broken scale, so the second scale.
You know what's funny is because when he's writing this, so he probably thinks he's in the zone.
Either one of the 2 D coins or the E coins, and if the D coins are the same, the E coin is fake. Oh, that's the longest sentence I've ever
like when he's writing, he probably just thinks he's in the zone. Like he's
I was writing and I was like, I'm gonna eat some food now. Writing, I stopped to eat some food like 5 times.
It's like people will be jealous of the people who's reading this. What great writing! Oh, great writing.
I'm sorry.
I feel like it would be easier to just say like right off the bat. Just
Yeah,
say like, oh, these other ones, they are real.
Yeah.
And then you are fine. You can just check these 3. Does this sentence make sense? That's the question. Okay, hold on.
E is fake as the two earlier weighing were performed on different
Preformed.
scales,
They were
and
preformed.
thus the second weighing had to be reported correctly, as if the first weighing was
So this
correct.
sentence starts here. And then
The fake coin was
it's like
in
here.
the second weighing, so the scale always reports correctly.
The two early weighings were performed on different scales. The second weighing had to have reported correctly, as if the first weighing was correct. A fake coin was in the second weighing,
So the scale always reports.
so the scale always reports
correctly.
Wait, hold on, hold on. The first weighing was incorrect. First weighing was correct. Fake weighing was in the second weighing.
Yeah.
Really? Wait, so the second? Oh yeah, because
Yeah.
you put all the A's in.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
If the first weighing was incorrect,
okay, so the scale always reports correctly.
and if the first weighing was incorrect, then
When the first one was incorrect, then the
first scale is broken.
second scale is
Correct.
and you use the second.
Yeah. So the fake coin is either one of the two D coins or the E coin.
So thus, the second weighing is legit.
The second weighing would be legit, yeah.
Therefore, it must be
If the two D coins are equal, the E coin is fake. And if the two D coins weigh, alright, do you get why?
Okay, sorry, I phased out a bit.
the.
Senior moment, different senior.
Yeah, Alex, senior in ability. Michael, senior in age.
Senior in senility or something. Okay, so it's amazing how fast one degrades. Okay, so
Have you have early onset dementia?
you've suggested this, and
Yeah.
because I can remember it, I suggest it. Possibly I don't. If I keep forgetting you mentioned it, probably more likely. E-coin is fake as the two earlier performed on different scales, and thus the second weighing had to have reported correctly. The second weighing have to have
was correct. The fake coin was insane. This is like a tree. Maybe we should draw a tree for this sentence. So it's like
okay, yeah.
the tree starts with.
So basically, you're
the tree
saying
starts with weigh the two D coins against each other,
yeah.
and then if they weigh equal amounts, the E coin is fake, as the two earlier weighings were performed on different scales, and thus the second weighing had to have been reported correctly, as if the first weighing was correct, the fake coin was the second weighing, so the scale would always report correctly. And if the first weighing was incorrect, this is like the most like.
So he's saying that like
If you look at the syntax tree of this sentence, it's very big.
So if they're equal, right?
Yeah.
So E is fake, yeah?
Yeah.
And okay, and the first part of the reasoning actually has nothing to do with them being equal, right?
Yeah.
It's just the fact that you have two weighings that both reported different results means that one of the weighings must means that the two things are actually there's actually different things.
Yeah, there must be a fake thing in the second way.
So one of the results must be correct.
So what I basically said in this first sentence, if the first weighing was correct, a fake coin would. So if the first weighing was the correct weighing, a fake coin was in the second weighing. So the scale always reports correctly. And if the first weighing was incorrect,
Did you say that?
yes.
Oh, you're actually explaining it. Your sentence didn't suggest there would be an explanation.
Oh, there was an explanation.
The explanation comes after the claim.
Thus, the second weighing had
making
to.
claims in the explanations and claims in the explanations for those explanations.
Oh, the second weighing had to have reported correctly. Oh, okay. If the first weighing was correct, a fake coin was in the second weighing, so the scale always reports correctly. Okay. And if the first weighing was incorrect, the first scale is the broken scale, so the second scale is which is always reported correctly. So the fake coin is either one of the two D coins or E coin, and if the D coin weighs the same, the E coin is fake. Oh, that actually does make sense.
It's logically sound sentence is just incredibly.
Grammatically unsound.
Yeah, one day, like, yeah, I don't know, like, will computers like that more than people will like that? I don't think so. I guess they just have more
If
patience.
you were to give it to a computer, it'd probably be structured a lot better.
It's like,
Because like,
when did
he
machines?
basically claims something that depends on other stuff, and when he needs the other stuff, he then does the other stuff.
Yeah,
So it's like lazy evaluation.
it's like, when did the machines first turn on the humans? Historically, it was when we first fed Liam Tournament of Towns answers into training AI training programs, and the machines from then on hated the humans. And then Skynet was formed. Okay, so alright. If D coins weigh the same, E coins. Okay, so if the two D coins weigh different, okay, D for different.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
If they're different, then the conclusion is the heavier D coin is fake.
If the second scale is the working scale, it always reports correctly. And thus, the heavier D coin is fake. The second scale is broken. The first scale always works. Thus, the fake coin must be one of the
A coin.
A coins, and as the fake coin also must. Oh damn, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's the main idea.
That's
of
crazy.
Okay, so if the second scale is broken, that's the case that we want.
Yeah.
If I have a different conclusion, yeah. The first scale always works, so the first scale is not broken, and thus the fake coin must be one of the A coins. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, because the A's were heavier than the B's. Yeah.
Yeah.
As the fake coin also must be either one of the D coins or the E coin.
Hmm. I showed that there. That wasn't actually.
Okay, because if it's among the A's, then the second scale has to read correctly for the
Yeah.
second weight. Yeah.
And
I get this. The main idea of this proof now.
that is the.
The main idea is just like you make it so that you get into a situation where either your scale works
Yeah.
or your coins work.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
The scale works or your coins work. Fake scales. Oh man, it's like getting to the point. Tournament Towns is like evolved so much. We have first fake coins, now it's like fake scales and
Oh,
fake
man.
coins. Before I think we had fake scales before, right? And there was also like,
one fake scale.
yeah, or like it costs money to measure on the scale. Now we have fake scales
we've had like
and
a
fake.
single fake scale that
Yeah.
you can use.
Oh.
But then we haven't had like I don't think we've had two scales, one of which is real and one of which is fake. They're getting advanced with these
Yeah.
scales.
Wait, so is it true that is it in three weighings you not only determine the coins but you also determine the scales?
No.
Not necessarily.
It
Oh.
doesn't require him to turn this.
But did we?
No.
Nah. This
Because
is like a
if it's different, all you know is that.
Oh, you don't actually know. You just know either case you get the same conclusion.
Yeah. Exactly. That's what it does.
Okay, so must be one of
that's
the
an insane idea. It's like
The A coin.
D.
And as the fake coin must also be either one of the D coins or the E coin. The fake coin is a D coin because that's how D coins are defined.
Mhm.
And the second scale will report correctly as the weights differ. So the heavier D coin is fake.
Okay, so let's think. So the DDE have to have the fake coin in there,
Yeah.
right?
And also the A coins have to have the fake coin in it. And that implies the D coins have to have one of the fake because the E coin is not an A coin.
Uh, oh, the E was a C, yeah?
Yeah,
So C can't be fake.
exactly.
Oh, so that means the scale gives you the right reading.
Yeah,
So then the heavier D coin is fake.
yeah.
Huh. How about that? It seems you've come a long way, Mr. Selinsky.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice.
Right, good. JA5.
It's actually crazy question.
That's actually a decently hard question.
Very good.
I
How long
think
did
I
it
got
take?
stuck because like I kept trying to consider because like you know some of the coins are legit, so I was like, wait, you might be able to use the legit coins,
But the main
but you never needed to use them.
Yeah.
So I was like,
How long did it take you to do this?
I think alright, so I read it earlier in the test and
Oh.
spent like 5 minutes on it or something. So
Yeah.
I just and then later on after doing 1 and 2 I attempted it. And then like 30 minutes in, or 25 to 30 minutes in, I got that main idea. Because realistically the main idea of the problem is this thing about when the D coins are different. That's the hardest part. I got that idea. But I didn't have like the correct earlier cases. And then I went to the bathroom and came back and realized the correct earlier cases.
Yeah, that's what we need to do for AMO. Like, look at the last questions
Yeah.
at the start, even if you're not doing them
So
directly.
it probably took me like
Just give us some processing.
30
Yeah.
to 40 minutes to solve and then write up. It was like 3 pages of write up, but realistically half a page was dedicated to the main idea. Because the rest of it's just sorting out the other cases.
Wait, so all up, how much time you reckon?
Plus write up,
Yeah,
1 hour 30.
that's still quite fast, I think. Okay. Yeah, so you could probably make it an hour and 45 and make it read a bit better.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.